All right, folks, you know what time it is. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. The moment tech enthusiasts like us eagerly await every year. The excitement is palpable, the anticipation is through the roof, and the energy in the air is electric. That's right, the new iPhone has landed. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is here, and it's ready to take the tech world by storm. This time, it's the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and let me tell you, the hype is real. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation and design. Apple's been teasing some major upgrades, and I'm hyped to dive in and see what's what. From the enhanced camera system to the powerful new processor, there's a lot to unpack. Will it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The iPhone 16 Pro Max promises to deliver an unparalleled user experience with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. One of the standout features is the new camera system. With advanced sensors and improved image processing, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to revolutionize mobile photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing moments, this phone has got you covered. Gamers, rejoice! The new A16 Bionic chip ensures that even the most demanding games run smoothly. The graphics are stunning, and the performance is unmatched. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gaming. For those who rely on their phones for communication, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers crystal-clear video calls and enhanced connectivity. Staying in touch with loved ones has never been easier or more enjoyable. Multitasking is a breeze with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The improved interface and powerful hardware make switching between apps seamless. Whether you're working, playing, or just browsing, this phone can handle it all. The display is another highlight. With its bright and clear screen, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is perfect for use in any lighting condition. Whether you're indoors or out in the sun, the display remains sharp and vibrant. Navigation is also a breeze with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The improved GPS and mapping features ensure that you always know where you're going. Whether you're exploring a new city or just finding your way around town, this phone has got you covered. Fitness enthusiasts will love the new health and fitness features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max can track your workouts, monitor your health, and help you stay on top of your fitness goals. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket. Shopping is also more convenient with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The improved security features ensure that your transactions are safe and secure. Plus, the seamless online shopping experience makes it easier than ever to find and buy what you need. Entertainment is another area where the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or playing games, the immersive experience is second to none. The sound quality is exceptional, and the visuals are stunning. For those who use their phones for work, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a range of productivity features. From email to document editing, this phone can handle all your work-related tasks with ease. It's like having a mini office in your pocket. Social media enthusiasts will also appreciate the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The improved camera and connectivity features make it easier than ever to share your life with friends and family. Whether you're posting photos, videos, or just staying connected, this phone has got you covered. And for those who love to read, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a great reading experience. The bright and clear display makes it easy to read ebooks, articles, and more. It's like having a library in your pocket. Creative professionals will also find a lot to love about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The powerful hardware and advanced software make it a great tool for editing photos, creating videos, and working on other creative projects. It's like having a studio in your pocket. Travelers will appreciate the iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. The improved camera and navigation features make it a great companion for exploring new places. Whether you're taking photos of landmarks or finding your way around, this phone has got you covered. Students and lifelong learners will also find the iPhone 16 Pro Max to be a valuable tool. The range of educational apps and resources available make it easy to learn new things and stay on top of your studies. It's like having a classroom in your pocket. And finally, for those who just want to relax, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a range of mindfulness and relaxation apps. Whether you're meditating, listening to calming music, or just taking a break, this phone can help you unwind and de-stress. So, there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is here, and it's packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone who loves technology. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, a professional, or just someone who loves staying connected, this phone has something for everyone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It's a powerful tool that can enhance every aspect of your life. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the iPhone 16. Pro Max and experience the future of technology today. You know the drill, fam. It's that time again when we get to experience the joy of unboxing a brand new gadget. There's something almost magical about it, right? Unboxing a new iPhone is practically a sacred ritual. The anticipation builds as you peel off that plastic, revealing the pristine box underneath. It's like unwrapping a present on your birthday. This year's packaging feels premium, sleek, and environmentally conscious. Gotta appreciate that. Apple has really stepped up their game with the materials they use. The box is not just a container, it's part of the experience. First things first, that new phone smell, always a classic. There's something about that fresh out of the box scent that just hits different. It's like the smell of a new car, but for tech enthusiasts. The 16 Pro Max feels hefty, substantial in the hand. You can tell it's a premium device just by holding it. The weight gives it a sense of durability and quality. It's definitely got that premium vibe going on. The sleek design, the smooth edges, and the overall build quality are top-notch. It's clear that a lot of thought went into making this device. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, that new design. This year's model has some noticeable changes. The camera module is larger, and the edges are more refined. It's a bold move by Apple, and it definitely stands out. The camera module is one of the most talked about features. It's bigger and more prominent, which means better photo and video quality. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, this is a game changer. The new camera system promises to deliver stunning photos and videos. With improved low-light performance and advanced computational photography, your shots will look better than ever. The display is another highlight. It's brighter, more vibrant, and offers better color accuracy. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the web, the experience is going to be top-notch. Setting up the new iPhone is a breeze. The setup process is smooth and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started. Plus, with the new iOS, you get a bunch of new features to explore. Battery life is always a concern with new smartphones, but the 16 Pro Max doesn't disappoint. With a larger battery and more efficient hardware, you can expect longer usage times without constantly reaching for the charger. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming, this phone can handle it all. The performance is snappy and the user experience is seamless. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And let's not forget about the accessories. The new iPhone comes with a range of accessories that enhance your experience. From fast chargers to stylish cases, there's something for everyone. So there you have it, the unboxing of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's an experience that never gets old. From the packaging to the device itself, everything screams quality and innovation. If you're thinking about upgrading, this might just be the perfect time. The new features, the improved design, and the overall experience make it a worthy investment. Happy unboxing, everyone. Okay, let's address the photography fanatic in all of us. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just someone who loves capturing moments, the latest advancements in smartphone photography are nothing short of revolutionary. This camera setup is insane. With multiple lenses and advanced technology packed into such a small device, it's like having a professional camera right in your pocket. The 16 Pro Max boasts a significantly improved camera system. We're talking about a leap in quality that makes previous models look like ancient relics. The clarity, the detail, the color accuracy, everything has been fine-tuned to perfection. We've got a new sensor, better low-light performance, and those software tricks Apple's known for. Imagine capturing stunning cityscapes at night without the graininess or blurriness that used to plague smartphone photos. The new sensor allows more light to be captured, making your nighttime shots look like they were taken during the day. Portrait mode just got a whole lot more interesting. The depth of field, the bokeh effect, and the overall sharpness have all been enhanced. Now, you can take professional-looking portraits with just a tap. Whether it's a candid shot of a friend or a carefully composed portrait, the results are stunning. And the video? Don't even get me started on the cinematic capabilities of this beast. With features like 4K recording, advanced stabilization, and a range of editing tools right on your phone, you can create movie-quality videos without needing any additional equipment. Whether you're documenting your travels, creating content for social media, or just capturing everyday moments, the possibilities are endless. The versatility of this camera system is what truly sets it apart. You can go from shooting a family gathering to capturing a breathtaking landscape without missing a beat. The intuitive interface and smart features make it easy for anyone to take amazing photos and videos, regardless of their skill level. And let's not forget about the customizable settings. For those who like to have more control over their shots, the advanced settings allow you to tweak everything from exposure to white balance. It's like having a mini photo studio in your hands. Sharing your creations has never been easier. With seamless integration to social media platforms, you can instantly share your photos and videos with the world. And with the quality of the content you're producing, don't be surprised if you start racking up the likes and comments. For those who love physical prints, the high resolution of these photos means you can print them out in large sizes without losing any detail. Imagine having a photo album filled with professional quality prints, all taken with your smartphone. And if you're looking to take your photography even further, there are plenty of accessories available. From tripods to external lenses, you can customize your setup to suit your needs. The possibilities are truly endless. So, whether you're a casual snapper or a serious photographer, the 16 Pro Max is designed to elevate your photography game. It's not just a smartphone, it's a powerful tool that puts the world of professional photography right at your fingertips. Get ready to capture the world in ways you never thought possible. One of the biggest flexes this year? Battery life. Apple's really stepped it up with the 16 Pro Max. We're talking about all-day battery life, even with heavy usage. No more constantly searching for a charger. Gaming, streaming, editing on the go. This phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Honestly, this battery life alone might be worth the upgrade. Design delights, sleek, chic, and oh so premium. Let's be real, aesthetics matter, and Apple knows how to deliver. The 16 Pro Max boasts a refined design with subtle yet significant changes. The bezels are slimmer, the display is more immersive, and those new color options? Fire! It feels incredibly premium in hand, and that new matte finish? Fingerprint magnet maybe, but oh so gorgeous. Performance powerhouse, speed demon unleashed. Under the hood, the 16 Pro Max is packing some serious heat. The new A18 Bionic chip is an absolute beast, making everything incredibly fast and smooth. Apps load in a snap, gaming is buttery smooth, and multitasking is a breeze. This is a phone that can keep up with even the most demanding users. iOS 18, a match made in tech heaven. Of course, no iPhone review is complete without talking about the software. iOS 18 is here, and it's the perfect companion to the 16 Pro Max's powerful hardware. We've got some cool new features, improved privacy settings, and a more refined user experience overall. Apple's ecosystem just keeps getting better. So how does the iPhone 16 Pro Max actually hold up in everyday use? In a word, flawlessly. This phone has become my go-to for everything. From capturing stunning photos and videos to staying connected with friends and family, it just works. And that battery life, it's a game changer. No more range anxiety here. Okay, time for some real talk. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is an incredible device, it's not without its quirks. The price for one is still pretty steep. And while the battery life is amazing, that fast charger still isn't included in the box. Minor nitpicks perhaps, but worth mentioning nonetheless. So, the million-dollar question? Is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the upgrade? If you're rocking an older iPhone and you're looking for a serious upgrade in terms of camera, battery, and overall performance, then absolutely. This phone is a beast. But if you're perfectly happy with your current iPhone, you might not need to jump on the upgrade train just yet. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation, design, and pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. And let me tell you, the future is looking pretty bright. Peace out.